This 2013 Forest River Sunseeker 3050S is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, spare tire kit, Skylight, microwave, stovetop burner, refrigerator, DVD player, leveling jacks, water heater, external shower, awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2013 Forest River Sunseeker 3050S is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.